Get him in the boat. Yeah, I see him. Wow. An end to that fight. Now he's going to start thrashing as soon as we get him in the boat. That's a nice shark, boy. Wow. Woo! Hang on, let me. He's in my seat. Woo!
Take his belt off.
For a little while. What you call it?